Going over Nvidia here today on April 10th, 2025. And we take a look at the unusual whales. Yesterday, TD Cohen here had a buy recommendation and a price target of 140. That's something to keep an eye out for. If we go ahead and go back into the Webull chart here, we could see Nvidia here hit a low of 103, potentially respecting our 103 support level as we have put up here. Keep an eye out for a recovery towards 106 as well as 110. I do think 115 is going to be retested as well. It just looks like we're having a bit of a pullback after making such a big move towards the top side. This is pretty normal in my opinion. I'll look for a stair step back up towards 117, followed by the resistances of 124, 132, and even 142. In the long term, once 142 gets retested at some point, I would then keep an eye out for the all-time high at 153 be tested. And if you want to go ahead and compare that from our current prices here at about 105, 117, they're going to be 10% move. 142 eventually will be tested as well. That's going to be a 33% move. And then the all-time high at 153, that is going to be a 44% move. Okay. This, again, I do believe is going to be tested within this year of 153 there. And if you want to look at the short term, like I mentioned, 117 going to be retested. So look out for an additional 11 to 12% move back up towards the top side from our current price here. This here, in my opinion, is going to be a dip opportunity, especially as we get closer to 103. I definitely wouldn't mind adding a position here into Nvidia. If we drop below 103 and go down towards 96, that's where I would look to add a bigger position. I personally don't think we're going to test $86 anytime soon. If anything, I think the bottom is going to be 96 from here on out. And then, of course, 103 here being a pretty important support level to keep an eye out for as well. If you are long-term on Nvidia stock, let us know down below in the comments. And if you haven't already, join our Discord. It's free to join. Link down below in the description. First link. And we have over 32,000 people there free to join. We have a dedicated chat section for Nvidia as well. And if you are looking for live entries and exits, I highly recommend joining our Patreon. We do share stocks and options alerts on Nvidia and other stocks as well. Feel free to join our Patreon. Again, it's going to be a 90% off permanent discount as we're celebrating our 5-year anniversary. Link down below. Okay, thanks guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for Nvidia stock. I do believe 117 is going to be retested here pretty soon. We got pretty close here at 115, all right?